Hello. Just gotta eat. Okay, this feels better. So, one of my most commented comments is that I look like blank. Yeah, and normally it's just a random celebrity with red hair. So to test this out today, I'm going to be turning myself into all of these celebrities that you all have commented that I apparently look like. So yeah, that's why I'm not wearing much makeup, because I'm going to do myself up to look like all these people. Oh, also, for the people who don't know me, hello! I'm Allie Goodwin and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Okay. The first celebrity, sorry this celebrity for putting quotes around your name. I'm kind of embarrassed to do this one. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome, maybe arguably the cringiest gal on the internet from the cringiest ads on the internet, the Hooked Ads girl. Yes, thank you, thank you. Apparently I look like her. I have this video from like literally 2 years ago. It's like my most popular video. I don't know why, because it's one of my least favorite videos. I'm so awkward in it and not funny, and like literally 50% of my comments are like, you look like the Hooked Ads girl. And I like didn't even know like what Hooked was. Like I thought it was the app where you like text things or whatever. I'm 21 and I'm finally starting to feel old on the internet. But apparently they're like videos and there's like this gal in it. I feel like I should look up her real name. I feel like this is like offensive just to be like the Hooked Ads redhead. She deserves more than that. Okay, her name is Chloe Ray Warmoth. I think I'm gonna do this first look of her where she's like in her dorm room because she's not wearing a ton of makeup, and I think I want to do a few like looks of her. And so this makes most sense to do first before I get like all makeuped up for the future looks. First, I'm just gonna do my mascara really quick like hers. Okay, thank Jesus I have mascara on now and I don't look like a little boy anymore. Now for the under eye. Maybe because I'm just not used to it, but I feel like under eye mascara does not look good on me. Okay, and then it looks like her lips are like really pink. She definitely has lipstick on. Okay, and then she has this like pink like long sleeve shirt on. So I have this like pink hoodie, which is I feel like a good color, but like she's not wearing a hoodie. And then I have this like sweater, which is closer in like the style of her shirt, but it's like not the right shade. Okay, I decided on this one. So now we just need to be in a doorway, so let's go. Trevor? How's that? I'm sure it was terrible. I feel like I really don't look like her, besides like just the fact that I have red hair. I don't know. Can we get a side by side? Okay, I don't know how that was. Let's do a take two. Okay, I think we got it. Also, yes, I did go to film school, but my quality is nowhere as good as the Hooked Ads. That honestly may be the saddest thing I've ever said in my life. Time for her next look. Okay, look number 2 now. Okay, but she's wearing a red dress, and I actually have a dress just like this, so everything's gonna work perfectly, which is great. And then she has red lipstick, and it looks like some like kind of like smoky eye. Okay, so I just realized that I may or may not have red lipstick, but we're gonna deal with that later. Okay, and then the smoky eye. I feel like I'm a big raccoon to mess this up. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I don't really think it looks like her makeup, but this is like as good as it gets. Now, for the lipstick, I've come up with a solution. Everyone might hate me after this, and this could really fail or work really well. I'm either a genius and gave you the best life hack ever, or this is gonna be really awkward. So I'm gonna try using eyeshadow. Yep, that's all. I bet you were waiting for me to say something else that would geniusly make sense, but nope, that's it. I can't do this. Okay. Okay, it kind of works. Okay, tell me this doesn't kind of look good. Like, did I just do that? Oh, okay, I just like kind of licked my lips and it really tastes like powder. That's not the move. Not a good long-term solution, but for this video, I think it's a win. Okay, I'm back in my dress. I thought I was gonna look a lot more like her, but I feel like I did a real like 6 out of 10 job. So I don't know, we're gonna recreate this scene and we'll see. The light in her video is really orange, so I tried to do the same thing. We're gonna go for it, okay? Okay.
There's a rumor going around that Trevor Holt has the biggest you-know-what in school. And here he is, standing outside my dorm room, naked.
Okay, what are we doing next? Okay, so another comment I get a lot, this one I don't get less often, but I think this is an interesting one that I've weirdly gotten multiple times, is Bethany Ann Lind. I don't think people know her actual name, but people just say that it look like the girl in Mean Girls 2. I think only one person commented that, but then it got like a ton of likes. Or probably like 5. I think this one is interesting because like I really don't see it at all. Like I really don't think I look like her. And there's also one of the other like Mean Girls is Jennifer Stone, who I don't think I look like her at all either, but she has red hair, so I figured people would have said that out of anyone in Mean Girls. So it's interesting, people must think my face actually looks like her because they didn't pick like this single redhead in the movie. Oh my god, the outfits in this show are ridiculous. Like I did not realize this is how they dress. Okay, here's what I've decided. So I found a headshot of hers. It's like not her from Mean Girls, but it's like one of her headshots on IMDb. And I honestly think I look a lot like this headshot of hers. So I think I'm gonna recreate this picture instead of one from the movies because I have like none of the outfits from the movies and I just don't see it. I really don't. Okay, I need to take most of my makeup off. Okay, so it looks like really, really natural in this photo. Like she has like barely any mascara on. Her eyebrows are pretty like lightly done. But her skin looks like so good. Like I would almost say she's like wearing no makeup, but like her skin looks flawless. Like there's no way that's just like her natural skin. Like she looks like she has, I don't know, maybe the gods blessed her. Maybe. Okay, she has a green tank top. I'm gonna go change. Okay, so the only tank top I have that looks like hers is red. I don't have a green one. So I'm just gonna have Editing Alley turn it into green. Thank you, Editing Alley. Okay, let's get into this like weird hunched over pose thing. It's also, oh my gosh, it's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. This is what I'm doing on my Valentine's Day. Turning myself into the Hooked Ads girl and other celebs. Okay, so her hair is like behind on this side and then front on this side. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, sorry this one is kind of lame because I'm not doing her actual Mean Girls pictures, but they're really hard. Okay, next celeb. One of my most top voted comments is, "You look exactly like the girl from the Lorax," which I've never been compared to an animated character before. So I'm honored, question mark. She's really adorable, but her hair is like orange. So yeah, we're gonna do her next. She has a weird outfit. She has like this yellow dress on with a blue and green striped long sleeve underneath, green tights, and brown boots. Like, girl, what are you wearing? What are you wearing? I have none of those pieces, but we're gonna figure it out. I'm gonna be Audrey from the Lorax makeup. Honestly, this kind of works. She has like basically really natural eyelashes. Her eyebrows are a lot more defined, so I'm gonna put on some more eyebrows and then we'll be good. And then I found this green and like dark blue striped shirt that I'm gonna wear, and I guess I'm gonna wear it under this, which is gonna look ridiculous, but this is like the only like tank top I own, and I don't own a yellow tank top, so okay, I'm gonna change right now. Okay, I'm pretty sure that transition just failed, and also I look ridiculous. Wow, this video is really just going downhill. Like, I'm pretty sure I peaked as the Hooked Girl ad. I don't ever want to say that again. Okay, so first we're gonna do this picture. She's like kind of looking down, like slightly cross-eyed, and I don't know what she's doing with her eyebrows, and I don't think I can do that, but let's try it. Also, hopefully editing me will turn this shirt yellow. Cool, thanks, Editing Alley. She's kind of like slight down look, like here. What are her eyebrows doing? No, she doesn't look that sad. She's like a neutral face, but her eyebrows are just like wonky. Like, what is going through her mind? Like, her face is just like, but her eyebrows are like, you know what I mean? Like, it's a little crazy. Okay. Her eyebrows are like up here. Okay, can I just like Photoshop my face? Okay, so here is neutral face. Now eyebrows. Once again, thank you, Editing Alley, for saving the day. Hopefully you did. You know, I think we've really exhausted all the Lorax looks we can. Okay, lastly, I think like only one person has said this, but I was just looking through my comments and I got Ginny Weasley like one time. So Okay, you know what I just realized? I was about to be so excited because I have like a full Harry Potter costume. I have like the wand, the tie, like the robe, like literally everything. Like I've been Hermione Granger like 3 years, and my Harry Potter costume is at my home in Houston because I thought I wasn't gonna need it again because Halloween was in like October. Oh my gosh, I'm mad. I'm so mad. Can we still salvage this? I wonder if she has any like pictures not on her robes. Like maybe she's like at the Burrow or something. Let's see. I have a black turtleneck. I could just wear that instead of the robes, but it's kind of lame. I also might just keep my makeup like this because I feel like she has basically the same like really natural makeup, especially because she's pretty young in a lot of these. Okay, let's try this windswept one, and my hair is not gonna look like that, but that's okay. Okay, so she's like kind of looking this way. Her arm is like this, and let me just try and pretend like my hair is like blowing out, like woo, woo. Okay, next she's like holding this book like, yeah, I went into the Chamber of Secrets. What are you gonna do about it? I'm mysterious. She also like, she's like 12 and I'm almost 22, so there's that. I don't know how I did. I'm excited to edit and look back and see them because let me know which celeb you think I look like the most. One of the ones I did in this video, or if there's someone else I could do a part 2, you know? Okay, bye guys.
What? There's a rumor going around that Trevor Holt has the biggest you-know-what in school. And here he is, standing outside my dorm room, naked.